Today we will discuss the introduction of trigonometry. Under this chapter, today we will solve the problems in exercise 8.2. First problem is sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. Substitute sin 60, cos 30, sin 30, cos 60 values in this equation. We will get the result. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute these four values in the equation, we will get the result. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, cos 30 equal to root 3 upon 2. This is 1 plus sin 30 is 1 upon 2, cos 60 1 upon 2. What is this result? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1. So the result of this equation is 1. Okay. Next problem. Second problem. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Okay. Just simple. These are the simple problems. Just substitute the values of the trigonometric functions. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 equal to 1. Cos 30 equal to root 3 upon 2, sin 60 equal to root 3 upon 2. Okay. Substitute tan 45, cos 30, sin 60 values in this equation. So the result we will get. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Tan square 45 is 1. So 2 into 1 plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. What about cos square 30? Cos square 30 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Sin 60 equal to root 3 upon 2. What about sin square 60? Sin square 60 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is cancelled. Result is 2 into 1. Result is 2. Okay. So the value of this equation is 2. By substituting, simply substitute the trigonometric function values. Tan 45, cos 30, sin 60 values. We will substitute in this equation. We will get the result 2. Okay. Next, third one. Cos 45 upon secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Okay, cosecant 30. What is the value of this ratio? Numerator is cos 45, denominator is secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Substitute these three values in the equation, so the result we will get. What about cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. What about secant 30? Secant 30 equal to 2 upon root 3. Okay. What about cosec 30? Cosec 30 equal to 2. Okay. Cos 45 equal to 1 upon root 2. Secant 30 equal to 2 upon root 3. Cosec 30 equal to 2. Okay. Next, simplify this one. Okay. Numerator is 1 upon 2. 1 upon root 2. Denominator is 2 plus 2 upon root 3. Okay. This is equal to 1 upon root 2 into root 3 upon 4. Okay, root 3 upon 4. Next, this simplify this equation. Okay, cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2, secant theta equal to 2 by root 3, cosecant 30 equal to 2 root 2. Okay, this is the root 3, 2 plus 2, 2 root 3, sorry, this is the 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Numerator is 1 upon root 2, denominator is 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. Okay, result is 1 upon root 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, 2 plus 2 root 3. Simplify this equation. Okay, root 3 common in this equation, in this terms common, 2 common in these two terms is common is 2. So this 2 is common both the terms. So result is 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 1 plus root 3, 1 plus root 3. Okay. Simplify this one. Numerator and denominator multiplied with root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Numerator and denominator multiplied with root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. So, in the denominator, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay? A square minus b square. So, root 3 into root 3 minus 1 upon, okay, 3 root 3 square minus 1 square. Therefore, 4 root 2. You will get the 4 root 2. Again, multiplied with root 2, root 2. We will get root 6, root 3 minus 1 upon 8. Okay? Upon 8. Again, we simplify this one. We will simplify this one. Okay? Numerator, we will have root 18 minus root 6 upon 8. Okay? What about root 18? Root 18, we can write like this. This is root 9 into root 2. Root 9 is 3 root 2. So, we will substitute in place of root 18 is equal to 3 root 2 minus root 6 minus root 6 upon 8. This is the result. Okay? This is the result. Okay? Simply substitute cos 45, secant 30, cosecant 30 values and then simplify this equation with numerator and denominator with the root 3 minus 1 and multiplied with the numerator and denominator with root 3 minus 1. We will get this one. Again multiplied with numerator and denominator with root 2. We will get the final answer. This is the value for this equation. Okay. Next, fourth problem. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Okay. Substitute the values of sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60, secant 30, cos 60 and cot 45 in this equation and simplify. We will get the result. What about sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 upon root 2. What about tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. What about secant 60? 2 by root 3. Okay. What about denominator? Secant 30. Secant 30 is 2 upon root 3. What about cos 60? 1 by 2. What about cot 45? 1. Okay. Substitute sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60, secant 30, cos 60 and cot 45 in the above equation. This we will get. Okay. Now simplify this equation. Okay. Simplify this equation. Okay. LCM is 2 root 3. Here root 3 plus 2 plus 2. What about this 2 root 3 minus 2. This is the numerator. What about denominator? Denominator also the LCM is 2 root 3. We will get root 3. Sorry. We will get 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. Okay. We are simplifying. This 2 root 3, this 2 root 3 is cancelled. Result is 4 root 3 minus 2. Sorry, 3 root 3 minus 2 upon, okay, 4 plus 4 root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3, sorry. 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay. This is 2 root 3, the LCM. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Sorry, here minus 4. Okay. Minus 4. This is the result for solving this one. For simplifying this one. So simplifying this one. Okay. What about simplifying this one? This is the 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Next. Simplify that one. We will get the final result. Okay. 3 root 3 plus 1. Okay. Numerator and denominator multiplied with 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay. Numerator and denominator multiplied with 3 root 3 minus 4. So we will get the denominator is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 3 root 3 whole square. We will get 27. Again 4 square is 60. This is the numerator. What about the? This is the denominator. We will get the 25 minus 11. What about the numerator? Okay. A minus b into a minus b. That means a minus b whole square. What about the a minus b whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here what is the a? A is 3 root 2. 3 root 3. B is 4. A is 3 root 3. B is 4. A minus b whole square. That means 3 root 3 whole square plus 4 square. 3 root 3 whole square plus 4 square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4. Okay. 3 root 3 whole square is 27 plus 43 minus 2 into 2 root 3, sorry, 3 root 3 into 4. So we will get 43 minus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 2, 24. 43 minus 24 upon 11. This is the 24 root 3. This is the result. Okay. The problems is simply substituted trigonometric function values, trigonometric ratio values, trigonometric ratio values. Substitute these values, we will get the result 43 minus 24 root 3 minus 1 upon 1. What is 3 minus 24 root 3 upon 1. So please copy it. Okay. Next, fifth problem. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Okay. Just substitute these values, we will get the result. That is the simple. This is the simple problem. First of all, analyze the denominator. Analyze the denominator. What is this? Sin square 30 plus cos square 30. What about sin square 30 plus cos square 30? Sin square 30 plus cos square 30 equal to 1 because formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here in place of theta 30 is there. So sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is 1. So numerator, denominator value is 1. So we will find the numerator value, we will get the result. In the numerator, cos 60, 5 cos square 60, 5. What about cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 upon 2 plus 4 secant square 30. What about secant 30? Secant 30 is 2 upon root 3. What about secant square 30? 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 minus tan 45 is 1. Okay. So 5 by 2 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1. Okay. Cos square 60. Cos square 60 means 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos square 60 is 1 by 4. So this one. LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Okay. 4 3 is 3 by 15 plus 3 4. 3 4 is 48. 48 minus 12. Okay. 48 minus 12. What is the result? 3 4 is 64. This is the 64. Okay. 64 plus 15 is 79. 79 minus 12. 79 minus 12 is 67. So result is 67 upon 2. So the value of this trigonometric ratios is 67 upon root 3. Just simply substituted the values of cos 60, secant 30 and tan 45 in the numerator, we will get the result. In the denominator, sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So therefore sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is 1. Okay. Today we will conclude these 5 problems under the exercise 8.2 of Introduction of Trigonometry chapter.